Tokyo is expensive, but in Ameya-Yokocho, you can find bargains on almost everything. This makes for plenty of lively interactions not typical of most retail in Japan, so enjoy! This area is accessible by train. Ameya-Yokocho is conveniently located on the Junior Yamanote line, with access to the Kihin Tohoku line and the Ginza, Hibiya, Odo, and Kaisei subway lines. Ameya-Yokocho Shopping Street, commonly known as Ameya-Yokocho, is a collection of stores located under the elevated railway line connecting Junior Ueno Station and Okakimachi Station on the west side of Ameya-Yokocho Street. Ueno Ameya-Yokocho is an atmospheric open-air market that offers various stores selling a massive selection of fashion, cosmetics, medicines, and even fresh food at almost ridiculously cheap prices. Ameya-Yokocho became a huge marketplace after World War II. It started as a black market, selling many things that people who worked for the occupation forces would get from the soldiers. Ameya-Yokocho Market is close to both Koreatown and Asakusa, famous for its many sightseeing spots. And since the atmospheric open-air market has always been very popular among international visitors, Ameya-Yokocho Market is known as extremely welcoming and tourist-friendly since many years. Take a stroll through this wonderfully busy and bustling shopping area and take a look at some of its most popular shops, stores, and stalls. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.